Stay here. I'll go down there. I'll get him.
Here, wait. Take this.
What am I going to do, style him to death? Who's down there?
Police are on the way. Get away from the house. Police are on the way. Get away from the house. Police are on the way. Get away from the house. Police are on the way.
Brad!
Police are on the way.
What are you doing down here?
I don't know, this thing's going crazy. I can't turn it off.
It's okay, it's just Brad.
Get away from the house.
Disarm, command, disarm, 8-7, disarm. Look at that.
Boy, that was loud.
Relax. Why are you hugging yourself?
It just feels right.
Everybody go back to bed. The alarm won't go back on, all right?
Police are on the way. Get away from the house. Police are on the way. Get away from the house.
Longer must I endure this madness? Bells and whistles and little men popping up at all hours of the night?
I am so sorry, Wilson. I don't want to upset you. You're the only neighbor who is still speaking to us.
Well, I'm about one siren blast away from going over to the other side.
Well, I'm about ready to join you.
How could you let Kim put in such a ridiculous alarm system?
Well, yeah, it was actually my idea.
Your idea?
Yeah, after you got robbed, I got scared. I started imagining all these horrible things happening to the family. Crazy people lurking behind every door, scaring the kids, taking all our stuff.
And you thought that by putting in a state-of-the-art alarm system that you would no longer be afraid?
Well, yeah, but now all I'm afraid of is setting off this insane system.
Well, Jill, I wouldn't worry about it. As the physicist Edward Teller told me over borscht at the Russian tea room, total security has never been available to anyone. To expect it is unrealistic. To imagine that it can exist is an invite to disaster.
Well, this week would qualify as a complete disaster. I just wish that we could scale this whole thing back, but I can't ask him to do that after he's put all this effort into it.
Well, why don't you present him with a petition signed by all his neighbors who are sleep deprived?
Wilson, you know nobody in this neighborhood ever signs anything.
Well, Jill, there's always a first time.
All right. I think I've got the inside sensors figured out. And hey, Wilson.
Hey.
What do you got there?
This is a petition from all the neighbors angry about your security system.
Joe Paduro, the guy lives like 4 blocks away.
Well, I think he's still angry about being hit by the spaghetti.
Tim, we gotta talk about scaling this thing back.
You know, this is partly your idea. I'll get it figured out as soon as I can get these outside motion detectors.